Hi, I'm Jeff Lee. I'm the Bishop of Chicago, and I'm speaking to you from the campus of Trinity University in San Antonio, Texas, where 1,200 plus Episcopalians, young and old, have gathered together for EYE, the Episcopal Youth Event. This event is happening under the banner of Sown in the Heart of Christ. That's the theme for the gathering. And we've been focusing on the reality of God's love planted deep in the heart of every human being. What it takes to uncover that love, what it takes to live on the basis of that love, working so that all people might know how loved they are by God. It's a very powerful gathering. Young adults in particular, teenagers, high school students, are learning here adult skills for leadership in the church and in the world to make a difference for Christ. They're interacting with bishops, with other leaders in the church. The presiding bishop is here. She just preached a terrific sermon. The president of the House of Bishops, Bonnie Anderson, is here. Bishops, as I said, and other leaders demonstrating how important, just how important our young people are in the life of the church. It's often said by youth ministers and others, quite rightly, that young people, young adults, children, are not the church of tomorrow. They're the church of today. That's the truth. But I'm convinced that if we honor the gifts of our young adults, our young children, teenagers, if we honor them, if we treat them like they are the church of today, we have a much better chance that they will become the church of tomorrow, too. So, greetings from the University of San Antonio. I can't think of a better way to prepare to go to the Lambeth Conference later this week. Can't think of a better way than being with our young people whose faith and energy and commitment and hope is deep and strong and ready to change the world. Thank you for your faithfulness. Thank you for your support of young adults, teenagers, children in the life of our church. And greetings once again from EYE.